Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Benkei. Today, I would like to show you how to do Python programming. First, let's go to the website, official website for Python. Right now, the latest version for Python is 3.8.2. Now, let's go to the license. Here, I opened a Python file called variable.py. Today, our lesson is about the variables in Python. It has 5 rules here. I will use an example to go through those rules one by one. First, let me define a variable called a message. Hello world. Okay. I would like to print it out to my terminal. Let's run the program. Okay, it went through here without complaint or some errors. Let's go through the rules here. Rule number 1, variable name can only contain letter, number, or underscore. I cannot start with number. Okay, let's change that variable here to add a number here, 7. Let's run again. Okay, it's good. So let's add an underscore. Let's run again. Good. So let me change that to another way. Say add a number in front of the variable. As you can see, it complained here. So that means the variable cannot start with number. So what if I add underscore between the number and the letters? Okay, still complain here. So that means I cannot put the number at the starting place of the variable. What if I start with underscore that? Okay, so it went through here, so that's good. But I don't suggest you to do all your variable definition with underscore because it's not that like beautiful. So, so what if I change it to my message? That's all good. Okay. Rule number 2, no spaces allowed, but underscore can be used to distinguish words. Okay, I removed underscore. Let me run again. As you can see, it complained here because I had a space between my and the message, right? So in certain scenario, if you want to distinguish your words, you can just use underscore. That will do the work. Okay, rule number 3, Python internal variables or keyword is not allowed. So that's, for example, like print. So if I define a variable called a print, let me run again. As you can see, it's complained here, string object is not callable because print is a keyword, internal reserved keyword by Python. Okay, rule number 4, variable name need to be short and self-descriptive. Okay, if I call this student name, then I have to define another variable called the name of student. And student name print name of student. Try that. As you can see, both those variable definition here work. But somehow, as you can see, the first one is shorter than the second one, but at the same time, it's self-descriptive. So, if possible, I recommend to go with approach 1, short and self-descriptive. Okay, rule number 5. Variable name need to avoid L, smaller, under lowercase l, or capital O, or lowercase o, because they are very similar to the 1 or 0 under some fonts. For example, I define variable here to LOLO, or L capital O, L capital O. Let's print them out here. LOLO. Okay, as you can see, it runs through here. Under some certain font, if I have 1010, for example, as you can see, they're very similar to each other. So especially if you want to do large scale software development by Python, you might have some debugging issues, confuse yourself, like 1010 or LOLO. So thank you. That's our lesson today.